The grinding and sanding environment is harsh and harmful to the human body, making recruitment difficult for companies. Also, the inefficiency and poor consistency of manual sanding make it harder to guarantee production capacity and quality. ROKAE provides XB25 industrial robot with a force-controlled sanding device and a high-speed sandpaper-changing device to automatically compensate for the flexible sanding of battery cooling plate products. A high-speed and high-precision XB25 robot paired with a force-controlled sanding device can finish single-piece sanding in 35 seconds while ensuring the quality of the product, which is twice the productivity of manual labor. 2 sets of XB25 robots can replace for manual workers, improving sanding efficiency by 2 times and significantly upgrading product quality. The whole system can automatically switch programs to be compatible with the flexible sanding of multiple products,